What symbol is this? This is the symbol of approximately. In mathematics, approximately refers to an almost accurate value or close to the correct answer. It is either slightly lower than the exact value or slightly bigger than the exact value. Especially when you are rounding off a number, we will use an approximately symbol. It is also used when you are not sure to what is the exact value or the correct answer. For example, 45 divided by 7 is equal to 6.428571 428571. For now, if you want to use an equal symbol, you must write all those numbers. Pero kung tinatamad ka naman kasi sobrang haba at sobrang dami ng numbers, you can round it off into 2 decimal points or 3 or 4 kung ilan yung gusto mo. But you must use an approximately symbol. So we have 45 divided by 7 is approximately 6.43. Dapat talaga itong malaman lalong-lalo na ng mga estudyante kasi may ibang students na nagra-round off na sila but they are still using an equal symbol. Kasi kung nag-round off ka na, you must use the approximately symbol.